Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is I am Mosby and I am in MUSHERIB. Yes, I'm in MUSHERIB, Doha. This is the station is over there, and yes, I just came to visit this place. I've once been here. If you've checked my vlogs cleanly, I've been here, and I just did a prompt tour to check of this place. Last time I was there was at night, so today I'm here during the day. The other time I think that was in not almost 1 year when you are having a World Cup. Now I've come back after World Cup. I want to see this place how it is during the day, because I vlogged when it was during the night. This time now I want to vlog here during the day. Keep watching. So this is the rail for the tram. This tram moves to this place, all over this place. It's the means of transport over here. It helps you commute around this place. Goes all around this place on the other side also. Yeah, it's early in the morning. The business haven't started. Some shops haven't been opened, as you can see. They are still doing some arrangement. Yes, this is the tram. Yeah, this is the way, the path that it passes, the rail. Yes, heading to the other side. Keep watching. This is the current state of MUSHERIB during the day. This building has lights over these places. During the night it shines. So if you've checked my video, the last video, the full of lights and decorations. These are the parking for the bicycles, and this is MUSHERIB during the day. This is MUSHERIB. This is my outfit. That's me. Yeah, it might get cold. I have to carry myself a jacket. This is MUSHERIB during the day. This is MUSHERIB during the day. Old Town MUSHERIB. This is for the charging. If you have a vehicle, electric vehicle charging spot, you can charge over there. They are fully equipped. These guys are fully equipped. Yeah, this is for the taxis, for the hotels. Yeah, this is Fendi shop. They're still closed. There are several shops. We also have this is Versace. This is Versace. Still close. Several shops over here. That is a Monoprix International. Yes. And this is MUSHERIB, the street of MUSHERIB. Still closed. Haven't opened. The shops will be open maybe in the later in the day. So for the morning, it's just preparation for the day to come. This is MUSHERIB, guys, during the day. If you haven't checked my other video during the day night, please check the video during the night. This place looks awesome. During the day also it looks awesome. It looks good. It looks great. So I wanted to do your check and see whether it looks good during the day or during the night. Yes, this is MUSHERIB, guys. This place looks wonderful. This place looks wonderful. It's clean. It is not congested. It's only vehicles around. I haven't seen the tram. Today is on a Friday, so the tram will start operating maybe during the afternoon. For now, it's just customers that are still moving around, checking whether there's some shops that have been open, the restaurants. That is the coffee shops only. Other shops, I think they'll open during the afternoon. This is MUSHERIB. pink is the baby girls, the romance. If you want to bring a girlfriend or your spouse, these are the spots. Yeah, it's very romantic. And this is MUSHERIB, guys. This is MUSHERIB. This is MUSHERIB. And I love the place because it's not congested. Things are just awesome. These are the trees around here, the decorations. Yes, ma'am. This is it. You have several fountains over here, and this is the museum. If you checked my last video, this is Mohammed bin Jassim house. I was here, but it was during the night. For now it is closed because it's on a Friday. Maybe it will be open during the afternoon or later in the day. And here we have this beautiful fountain over here. We have this beautiful fountain over here. This is MUSHERIB. We have another museum over there, and another one on the other side. We have another museum over there, and this one, and this one bin Jassim over there. This is MUSHERIB, guys. This is MUSHERIB. Very. That one also is a mosque. The one with the spiral. The spiral one is a mosque. Yes. This is MUSHERIB, man. During the day, it looks brighter. It looks brighter also during the day. Yes. But during the night, it's full of lights, different kind of lights, purple, blue, that are decorated along the walls. Yes, and this has been Jamud House. This is also another museum. This is also another museum. If you've checked my vlog, it's I think 6 to 8 months ago, you will see this, all of this place. I was here, made a tour over here during the night, and you'll see the view from the night. This is during the day. This is MUSHERIB. This is MUSHERIB. Yes. So on a Friday, that's why the streets are clear. There is less people. Some few people doing some shoots. Yeah, because it is not congested. The place looks still no people around because it's on a Friday. Yeah, it will be full later in the day. Yes, and this is MUSHERIB, old town, downtown MUSHERIB. This is downtown MUSHERIB. If you're watching from this point or you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Mosby. My name is Mosby. Please consider subscribing, like, share, and also comment. I'll really appreciate. Check my previous videos that I've posted also, and I'll really appreciate. Thanks for supporting. If you're returning a subscriber, keep the same spirit, and thank you so much.